Hi guys, just thought we'd make a wee quick video. We've got glorious sunshine up here in Scotland at the moment, and seemingly we're supposed to have this for the next week. So I'm hoping to get a wee bit done, but we can go out. I've made these two trellises. I think you've seen these last year, but I've moved them to here. These are for the sweet peas. Nothing in my greenhouse at the moment, but I'm thinking of doing my early potatoes just now rather than the end of the month and putting them in there in case we get a frost. I don't know. These are some strawberry plants that were runners of last year's, these ones. My son has decided to take up a wee bit of gardening, so I'm giving them some strawberry plants. There's some spring onion, some leek. I'm also going to give them other stuff, cabbage, Brussels sprout, turnip, when it's ready to go. That is beetroot that's been in there since last year. These are Rugy's flowers. That there is herbs. We've got thyme, chive, oregano, and something else I can't remember. That's my garlic from purchased from Asda. That's garlic that I got from the farm that wasn't working, but it's decided to poke its head. And this also is the same garlic that from the farm. This is flowers that we put in last year. They're still coming up. And there is some comfrey. It's starting to shoot and all, and we go into the tunnel. These are the peas. These are the sugar snap peas, and these are the peas that you saw in my grow room in my last video. So they're now living in the polytunnel. That is some leek, which is still to go in, and that's some spare spring onions that I'll put somewhere. All along there is spring onions, and up that row there is onion, and I still to finish planting some. Now, these are carrots that I put in last year, and nothing came of them, but they started to come up here and here. Will they be okay? Because obviously they've been over the winter. That's the tansy. In here we've got onion and more onion and more onion. As you can tell, we use a lot of onion and leek in my house. Under these bits of wood I've got some carrot seeds, and along here where the two markers are, there is also carrot seeds for this year. I put in this year. That over there is a chard that I left over winter, and next to that, apart from the weed, is a lettuce that I put in just like today, and this is beetroot that I put in last year as well. So I'm hoping I get some stuff, but it just feels so good to get stuff in the ground, really does. And I've created another bed over here, which is going to be my Brassica bed. Cauliflower, broccoli, Brussels sprout, cabbage. I haven't done anything to my buckets yet, but it's just so good to see stuff in the ground. I believe that we're going to get a dry week, so I'm going to get my grass cut next week. This here is a Braeburn apple that I grew from seed that I got out of a Braeburn apple seed. A Braeburn apple. This is now its third year, and it's shooting lovely. I bought these trees here. This is a Golden Delicious plum tree, cherry tree and a pear tree, and they're starting to shoot as well. So spring has arrived in Scotland. So basically just a wee general tidy up now, get some stuff in the ground, and if you go into the tunnel, the grow room, you'll see it's looking kind of empty. Calabrese, they are a bit leggy, so I'm going to have to try and do something with them. Calabrese, kale and Brussels sprout, no, Brussels sprout, turnip, kale, cabbage, calabrese, cauliflower, sorry I'm maybe not showing you these things, and these are the sweet peas and the dwarf sweet peas that are ready to go out, well, will be soon, into the polytunnel. This is my Crimson Crush tomatoes coming up, and cherry tomatoes have started to sprout as well. So things are looking up. So today the job is, hold on to see if I can get some light here. Where's the switch? Forgot where I put the switch. That one. So today I'm going to get, I brought this in order to try and get some heat into it because my compost is kept in the garage. So today I'm going to be putting some of these, the best ones that I can get, in there, and then have them up there. And that's about it, that's about as far as we've got today. But I'm going to do some more today because I'm feeling a wee bit better after catching coronavirus. The wife is now clear, so I'm hoping I'm going to be clear in the next couple of days. So I'm going to get these done, keep some for myself, keep some for my son now that he's got a wee vegetable patch. See if I don't know what he needs, but we'll see. I'm just looking at these Brussels sprouts. Oh God. They are a bit leggy. Will I still be able to use them? Could pick out the smallest ones, I suppose. I don't know, I'll still be able to use them. Please comment below. Let me know. God, I'm out of breath. You know, it's really, you really get out of breath dead easy with this stupid illness. Anyway, look at that. Look, glorious sunshine. I've even opened my polytunnel. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Get a washing out. So basically that's about it this time round. There's not really much more I can show you. I mean, I could show you me pricking out seedlings and putting them into pots, but I'm sure everybody knows how to do that. Oh, and I have over here, I didn't show you this, it's so these sweet peas were sown without soaking the seed. It was just put straight in the ground, and they seem to be coming up okay. And there is my iceberg lettuce. Give a couple of them to my son as well, because you get like 3,000 seeds from Premier Seeds for like £1. So, well, that's about it as far as I can make out. Nothing much more to say. If you would rather watch me pricking out seedlings and putting them into pots, just please let me know and I'll do it the next time. Comment below. Okay, thanks for watching everyone. Stay safe. Bye now.